Hello student, on the behalf of KTHM College Nasik and Department of Chemistry of this college, I am Dr. Rucha Pawar welcomes you in this MSc Second Inorganic Chemistry class. Dear student, in this lecture we are going to discuss the blue oxidase, a metalloenzyme of copper or the copper proteins, blue oxidase. In previous lecture we discussed the copper proteins, that is azurin and plastocyanins. In that lecture we discussed what is meant by the blue oxidase, or the types of or the examples of the blue oxidase. So let's discuss. So firstly we are going to discuss what is meant by the oxidases. So in blue oxidase, as we know that blue is color. Blue color means there is a presence of copper. So in that we are going to discuss what is meant by the oxidases. Oxidase is an enzyme that catalyzes an oxidation reduction that one involving dioxygen as the electron acceptor In that also, in reaction involving donation of hydrogen atom to oxygen is reduced to water or H2O2. So this is a oxidase. Blue oxidases are nothing but the multi-copper oxidases. Multi-copper means there is a number of copper atoms. Number of means there is a 2, 3 or generally 4 copper atoms are present in this multi-copper oxidases. In blue oxidases also there is a blue oxidases is nothing but the multi-copper oxidases. This is an example of multi-copper oxidases. In that we see the example of lacase. Lacase is an enzyme. So here we can say that easily. Here there is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means here there is a 4 copper atoms are present in this lacase enzymes. It is also a multi-copper enzyme. In that there is a here, this is a type first. This one is a this one is type second. This one is a type third. And this one is a type first copper proteins. If you see the structure of this, the structure containing each copper, in which if suppose in first copper, then there is a histidine groups are attached to this copper in outer side. Here in second copper there is one is a water molecule and second one is a nitrogen attaches, means the histidine groups are attached in type second. And here again there is a number of ligand, means histidine groups are attached in this type third copper proteins. And here in type first copper protein there is a cysteine, linkase and leucine, and here cysteine, leucine, and two histidine groups are attached to the fourth copper center. So this is a multi-copper center, and in which this four copper atom there is a hydroxy molecule. There is a OH groups is attached between these two copper dimer. So this is a general overall description of this lacase enzymes, or schematic description of this lacase enzyme. In that we can see that there is a four copper centers are present equally distance, and then there is a number of groups are attached to this copper. Generally in that groups there is a histidine, cysteine, and leucine is at type first copper center is attached, and we know that what is meant by the type first, type second, and type third. We already discussed this difference of type first, type second, and type third in previous lecture. So let's discuss now the multi-copper oxidase are oxidase that oxidize their substrate by transferring electron at mononuclear copper center to trinuclear copper center. So here in multi-copper oxidase can oxidate their substrate by transferring electron at mononuclear copper center at mononuclear copper center to trinuclear copper center. And this trinuclear copper center again copper center binds dioxygen. This trinuclear copper center binds dioxygen following the transfer of four electron is reduced to two molecules of water. Leakase enzyme is also a multi-copper enzyme, in that the four coppers are present. In that we can see that there is a different group, mostly the histidine groups are present in copper first center and copper third, whereas in copper second and copper fourth center the two histidine and one water molecule at copper second means copper center second, and copper fourth there is a two histidine, one is a cysteine and one is a leucine ligands are attached to this copper center. So this is a multi-copper center. In between these two copper centers in dimers there is a OH molecule, means hydroxy groups are attached to this multi-copper centers. So now let's discuss the next one. What are the multi-copper oxidases? Now in this multi-copper oxidases, that's why so called as blue copper oxidases, due to presence of copper. So here in that multi-copper oxidases there are again different types, means we already discussed these types, that is type first copper, type second, and type third copper proteins. And in that copper protein, these copper proteins we know that divided into on the basis of the environment of metal ion and spectroscopic properties of that metal ion. So in multi-copper oxidase also there are again different types. Let's discuss enzyme. We know that this is the structure of leakase enzyme, we already discussed. This is a multi-copper protein. What are the features of this leakase? Let's discuss. Leakase is a three-domain enzyme. 3 domain enzyme. Found in fungi and plant. Found in fungi and plant. Leckase oxidize phenols and different amine. Phenols and different amines. Means it can oxidize phenols and different amine group. Now in Escherichia coli, that is a CO enzymes, copper containing enzyme found in Escherichia coli. In Escherichia coli bacteria, which is involved in or prevent involved in copper resistance. So this is a general feature of this lackase multi-copper or blue oxidase enzymes. Now let's discuss the ceruloplasmin enzyme. Ceruloplasmin. This is a structure of ceruloplasmin enzyme, that we can say that there is a 3 copper or 4 copper centers are present. This is a ribbon-like structure of ceruloplasmin, 3D structure of ribbon-like structure of ceruloplasmin. So the main features of ceruloplasmin is that six domain structure found in serum of mammals and birds. The next one, that is, it can oxidize inorganic and organic moieties. It oxidize inorganic and organic substances. The next one, that is the copper binding. In this, the copper binding is similar to lackase enzyme. In ceruloplasmin, copper binding is similar to that of lackase enzyme. So this is the overall structure of multi-copper oxidase, that is a ceruloplasmin. The ascorbic oxidase, third is a structure of ascorbic oxidase. This is just, we are viewing here, we are just view the copper centers or the copper. There are 3 or more than 3 copper atoms are present, and this structure is again so on. We are just focusing on the copper centers here. So here the structure of ascorbic oxidase. Now the feature of ascorbic oxidase is that this is a 3 domain structure. It is found in plant. Is that this enzyme helps in or functioning metabolism of ascorbate. Ascorbate. So it is also oxygen donor to the many reactions. So this is ascorbic oxidase. Now next, that is a nitrite reductase. Here, this is a figure of nitrite reductase. In that there is a two copper centers, and in that there is a type first and type second copper centers are present in nitrite reductase. This is also a copper containing protein. So in nitrite reductase, we can say that the characteristics of nitrite reductase is that it is a two-domain protein. Or enzyme. It has a type first and type second copper centers. In this, there is a copper is also attached to the immunosomes of nitrogen atoms, and here, that is application of this nitrite reductase is a it reduces or it also function in reduction of nitrite. So this is the overall structure of blue copper oxidase. What is meant by in that we are seeing the what is meant by the oxidase, what is a blue oxidase, multi-copper oxidase. In that we are discussing the fourth group, that is a lactase, cereoplasmin, then nitrite reductase and ascorbic oxidase. Now we will stop here. In next lecture we are going to discuss the next metal enzyme of copper. Thank you.